Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best RV Wi-Fi is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any modern RVer. Staying connected on the road is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of RV Wi-Fi, exploring the best options available to keep you connected, whether you're parked in a remote campsite or cruising down the highway. We'll cover everything you need to know to choose the perfect setup for your needs. Number 5. GL.iNet GL.MT3000 Beryl AX Travel Router. This is the GL.iNet Beryl AX, a pocket-sized Wi-Fi 6 travel router. It's designed for secure internet access on the go, perfect for travel, RVs, or even airplanes. Enjoy dual-band Wi-Fi with speeds up to 3000 megabits per second. It features a 2.5G multi-gigabit WAN port and a 1G gigabit LAN port, along with a USB 3.0 port. This router offers more than double the total Wi-Fi speed. It comes with OpenVPN and WireGuard pre-installed, compatible with many VPN providers. Simply log into your existing VPN account, and it encrypts all network traffic. You can achieve VPN speeds up to 300 megabits per second. The Beryl AX runs on OpenWRT 21.02 firmware, supporting over 5,000 plugins. You can easily customize it through a no-code interface. This router supports WPA3 protocol to prevent brute force attacks. It also uses DNS over HTTPS and TLS to protect your data. IPv6 is built in for privacy protection. It can host a VPN server and client simultaneously. This allows you to remotely access local network resources while also accessing the public internet through a VPN. Its compact size makes it an ideal travel companion. It provides secure internet connectivity wherever you go. What we like. This router offers blazing fast Wi-Fi 6 speeds, perfect for streaming and multiple devices. It also comes with pre-installed VPN options, keeping your connection secure on public networks. If you are a digital nomad or frequent traveler who values both speed and security, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. This product is very easy to set up as long as you have very basic knowledge in this area. I have advanced knowledge in networking, but this router doesn't really require that. It broadcasts a strong signal. I use the web-based UI, and it is extremely good. It has tons of options for configuration, so if you are worried you're going to get a really watered-down router given it's a travel router, you are mistaken and in for a pleasant surprise. Number 4. GEARit 30 amp RV Surge Protector. Are you worried about power surges damaging your RV's equipment? This surge protector is designed to safeguard your RV from unexpected voltage spikes. It provides reliable protection, ensuring your appliances and electronics stay safe. This device absorbs high-voltage spikes up to 3,600 joules. This feature helps prevent damage to your valuable equipment. It's a crucial component for any RV owner. Built with weatherproof, UV-resistant, and flame-retardant ABS material, it's perfect for outdoor use. This design ensures the product's longevity and reliability, no matter the weather conditions. It has a built-in connection tester with a smart LED indicator. This feature detects and alerts you of low voltage and improper wiring conditions. This helps ensure a safe and proper power connection. Monitor voltage, amps, and watts in real time on your smartphone. Using the AdSafe app, available for iOS and Android, you can stay informed about your RV's power usage from anywhere. It offers convenience and peace of mind. What we like. This surge protector safeguards your RV from power fluctuations and potential damage. It also allows you to monitor your power usage in real time via an app. If you're concerned about protecting your RV's electrical system and want to keep an eye on your power consumption, this device is a must-have. What people say. Functions like it was designed, easy to store and use, and the peace of mind has been awesome. Having the ability to monitor the electrical output is a great benefit. I installed this on my trailer and have been trying out the app, attached a screenshot of it to this review. So far I've been impressed. Setup was easy, though you do need to make an account in the app to get it going. It took around a minute to go through the steps and get it connected to my Wi-Fi network. Once you open the app you get real-time monitoring of the amps, watts, and voltage as well as electricity usage per day. You can also turn the entire trailer RV on or off as if it were like a smart plug, or set up conditional events. For example, you could tell the app to send you a notification if the voltage drops below a certain number, or if your power usage is getting too close to your amp limit. It will cut power completely if the voltage drops below 106 V or goes above 132 V, as it can be dangerous to run some appliances at those extreme voltages. In terms of surge protection, it offers 3600 joules, which is a lot more than the 2100 my previous surge protector had. It can be used without the app or connecting to Wi-Fi, you just won't be able to monitor the power usage. It does have LED indicator lights which will warn you of power or wiring issues without having to use the app though. Keep in mind you do need Wi-Fi connection to see the information, so if you frequently go from camp to camp and don't always have Wi-Fi, you might want to consider setting it up on a hotspot so you can use it even when you don't have normal Wi-Fi access. In terms of build quality, it seems good. The cords are nice and thick and the unit itself seems well sealed from the elements. Overall, I'm quite impressed and find this to be an invaluable tool to get as much as I can from my limited 30 amps. It has been surprising to find out just how much, or little, power certain appliances and devices use. Number 3. King KS1000 Swift Range Extender and WiFiMax Router. Are you tired of weak Wi-Fi signals? This device is designed to solve that problem. It boosts your existing Wi-Fi, ensuring a strong and reliable connection throughout your space. This antenna automatically finds and connects to your Wi-Fi network. It's omnidirectional, so it grabs signals from all directions. This makes it easy to get a strong signal. Enjoy a fast and secure connection with this device. It provides a reliable signal, so you can stream, browse, and work without interruption. It keeps your connection safe. Setting up this device is a breeze with the King Wi-Fi app. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. You can easily manage your Wi-Fi connection. Effortlessly connect all your mobile devices to the extended Wi-Fi network. Whether it's your phone, tablet, or laptop, it will keep them connected. Enjoy seamless connectivity. It extends 2.4 GHz for the best range and provides 5 GHz with a router for the fastest speeds. This ensures you get both great coverage and high-speed performance. It offers the best of both worlds. What we like. This device automatically finds and extends your Wi-Fi signal, ensuring a strong and reliable connection. It offers a simple setup process through a dedicated app. If you need a reliable internet connection while on the road and value ease of use, this is a great option. What people say. Once I found the pre-wired cable under the TV antenna on the roof, everything hooked up relatively easy. I set up my own Wi-Fi on both 5G and 2.4 with my own network, which is password protected. It repeats and strengthens the signal. Number 2. King KWM1000 WiFiMax Router Range Extender. This is the King KWM1000, a versatile device that acts as both a router and a range extender. It's designed to boost your Wi-Fi signal and expand your network coverage. It is a great solution for your home or office. The KWM1000 comes with a 9V power supply, and it requires a standard 110V AC plug-in. This makes it easy to set up and get connected. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. Enjoy fast and reliable internet with its 2.45 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi. This allows for faster speeds and less interference. It ensures a smooth online experience for all your devices. You can customize the Wi-Fi name and password for added security. This gives you control over your network and protects your data. It's simple to set up and manage. It features 4 antennas with beamforming technology. This enhances the signal strength and range. It directs the Wi-Fi signal towards your devices for optimal performance. The KWM1000 is incredibly easy to use with its plug-and-play design. There's no complicated installation required. Just plug it in, and it starts working immediately. What we like. This router and range extender provides fast speeds and improved coverage with its dual-band capabilities and beamforming technology. It's also incredibly easy to set up. If you're looking for a simple, yet effective way to boost your Wi-Fi signal in your RV, this is a good choice. What people say. I installed the King Swift antenna after playing with locations. And I am now able to stream movies on at least 2 devices inside my house. The initial setup prompts you pretty logically. You connect to the public Wi-Fi and then rebroadcast it. With their router you set up a password and a private in-home network. I powered up the extender downstairs from our router, and used the laptop from the second cabin for the setup. The computer immediately detected the factory set connection, but would fail to actually connect to it, per the product directions. So, thinking someone probably had tried to set this unit up before, I skipped some steps and was finally able to obtain an internet connection with it. Then I went back and set it up with new network names and passwords, rebooted, and it worked. I then unplugged it, took it and the laptop over to the second cabin, and plugged it in over there. The lights on the extender quickly illuminated for both 2.4 and 5G signals. I flipped open the laptop in another room, and it detected both bands and we connected it to the 5G. Then I turned on the smart TV, and it immediately picked up the Wi-Fi signals, so we were able to set that up. The streaming was flawless. That said, I like that all devices inside my RV are connected once, to the King device, SSID and password entered one time and done for each device. This feature is time-saving, avoiding connecting each device separately. Number 1. ALFA Network Wi-Fi CampPro 2v2 Wi-Fi Extender Kit. This is the ALFA Network Wi-Fi CampPro 2v2. It's a powerful system designed to extend your internet access. It's perfect for RVs, boats, and motorhomes. The CampPro 2v2 retrieves internet from remote Wi-Fi hotspots. It then extends the signal, providing you with a stronger connection. You can enjoy a reliable internet connection wherever you are. Setting up this device is simple. It features an intuitive QR code setup via your smartphone. A web configurator is also available, requiring no special expertise. This device significantly improves wireless performance. It extends the range of Wi-Fi hotspots and enhances coverage inside your RV or yacht. You can even make calls when the cellular signal is weak. It easily scans and connects to Wi-Fi hotspots. The device then rebroadcasts the signal throughout your RV or yacht. Instantly share the extended internet with all your devices. What we like. This system is designed to extend your internet access from remote Wi-Fi hotspots. It offers improved wireless performance and coverage inside your RV. If you frequently camp in areas with weak Wi-Fi signals and need a reliable way to connect, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Plugged in the unit and wham, instant Wi-Fi. Good product. I used the external omnidirectional 2.4 GHz antenna to connect to the store's Wi-Fi and then used the internal unit to connect all my devices. The CampPro 2v2, which supposedly has an updated chipset for higher throughput speeds, worked as expected on my one test out in my RV with my home hotspot. This was easy to install and worked well. My download speeds were not as great as connecting directly to my home hotspot, like half the speed, but my upload performance increased almost 4 times. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.